Somebody just commented. Michael just said, "Are you Jake Paul?" Oh my God, I'm so. The amount of times that I've got that, Michael, is crazy because low key I've got that like over the past couple of years quite a bit, and I guess you see it or you don't. You know, I mean, I'm not Jake Paul though. To this, my jaw's still intact here. My jaw's still intact. But yeah, no, people have. I don't know if it's what it is. If it's the beard or you know, I don't know what it is. But hopefully that's a good thing. I appreciate it. I commend you for that. Jake was pretty stupid. He went and challenged a professional fighter, and this is what happened. He broke his jaw. I agree, Brent. I really do agree, Michael.